Hey everybody, Dirty Dan here, Greasy Boy Customs. Today we're going to talk to you about a really cool tool from Eastwood, and that is the vise mounted English wheel. Setup is minimal. When you take this out of the box, it looks like this. Now I have already turned these wheels 90 degrees, which I mentioned earlier is pretty simple. You just have two screws on each side of the upper shaft, unbolt it, turn it, and then the lower one, all you have to do is slide it out, spin it around. Pretty simple. Let's go ahead and throw a piece of metal in here and see what we can do with this thing. Look at that. We got a nice curve going, and also it adds a lot of rigidity to the metal, which is perfect when you're doing patch panels on something that's not flat, because not all patch panels are flat. It's like this Bronco door, it's got a nice curve to it. Now you can match that curve and make a nice patch panel that'll fit great. A couple things to keep in mind though, when you're wheeling a panel like this, it's not just curving it this way, it's also curving it this way. If you want it to curve one direction, simply apply a nice thick rubber band to your upper wheel, and it'll only curve it the one direction. We're gonna go ahead and swap this die out for the most aggressive one, the 1/2" die. Let's see what kind of shape we can get out of this panel. You can also go ahead and pre-form it with a hammer a little bit if you want, and then finish shaping it on the English wheel. And look at that. All the dents are worked out, nice and smooth, and we've accomplished this really weird shape. Now this isn't for an actual patch panel, this is just a demonstration. So, what do you think? So if you are looking for a compact English wheel that doesn't take up a lot of space in your shop and doesn't hurt your wallet, this is definitely a great option. And don't forget to stop by Eastwood's website for other amazing products that will be sure to help you out in your professional shop or your DIY home shop. Till next time, happy hot rodding.